Sit up straight with your shoulders back, as Jordan Peterson says, or as an elderly friend of mine in Copenhagen was told by his mother 75 years ago, if you slouch like the working class, you'll be paid like the working class. Take a posture, and part of that posture includes the possibility of the diaphragm moving and letting the air in.
Does my thoughts affect my breathing?
Yes, because everything affects everything. And while the people would like a linear answer, like that, the most popular self-help theory of the moment, where thoughts is central. I think of something, therefore I will attract it. People want their thinking to be so important. Well, no, thinking is just simply one aspect. However, if your thinking was negative or reversing time, then your breathing would actually match that pattern, your muscles would go into that pattern, your tone of voice would go into that pattern. Or if you used a negative tone of voice, that would affect your muscle posture, which would affect your breathing, which would affect could your spirit interact with your body. So actually the right place to enter is the place that you can enter. And there's not actually separate breathing, separate to your muscle posture, separate to your spiritual posture, separate to your thoughts, separate to the images you are making. You can choose to change any one of those and it will change all of them.